White snow, making snowmans and playing snowball wars, that's the best part of the winter. But not everything is joy and happiness. The cold can be a huge problem even for the ones who are accustomed to it. Power outages can be fatal, as a lot of people depend on electricity to warm up their houses. In today's video you're gonna learn about a secret tech that in the near future can transform yourself into a living power generator. Let's go! Researched by the University of California, Los Angeles, a new way to generate energy will use snow and your body to do so, being more specific, your foot. This crazy tech is a wearable that is meant to be placed on your boots. Capitalizing on the static energy caused by the snow's natural positive charge. Called snow-based triboelectric nanogenerator or snow tank for short, the tech was tested in all shapes and forms, building the electrode with aluminum, Teflon, and finally the chosen material, the silicone. Cheap, small, and malleable, this electrode would fit in any shoe shape and can potentially change the way we approach energy generation. Although it seems great, the tech is in its early stages of development and is not able to power big equipment. Students and researchers tested the idea on step counters and LED lights, but the potential is good as there are predictions of a paint version of this tech that would cover whole buildings, protecting them from humidity and generating electricity in the winter. Why stop on buildings? Everything can become a generator. Car tire, snowboard, whole houses and fences, cats. Maybe not that last one. Every day we see that the future is getting closer and things that sounded like magic and scientific fiction are becoming part of our daily lives. Would you mind becoming a living generator? For sure we would not. Press the secret button combination for more secret tech like this one. Thank you for watching and take care.